Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Suzuki GSX-R600. This supersport just arrived with only 953 miles. Showroom condition, beautiful metallic black sparkle paint scheme. It's got a great sounding M4 exhaust, CRG adjustable levers, fender eliminator, rear seat cowl, and the bike has been lowered. So all you short inseam riders, come on down and get your Supersport GSX-R 600 with only 953 miles. This thing is gorgeous, only $11,599. Make your Supersport dreams come true. I love the black with the white wheels. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.